Ever wondered what the secret to youthful skin is? The answer, my friends, lies in a vital protein called collagen. This magical substance is the most abundant protein in our bodies, making up about 1/3 of our total protein content. It's the main component of our skin, hair, nails, bones, and even our tendons and ligaments. But here's the thing, collagen isn't just about quantity, it's about quality too. It's the glue that holds our bodies together, and it's primarily responsible for the elasticity and resilience of our skin. When we're young, our skin is full of fresh new collagen, which is why it's so plump, firm, and smooth. But hold on, there's a catch. As we age, our collagen production begins to slow down. From our mid-20s, we start losing about 1% of our collagen each year. By the time we hit our 40s, we've lost about a whopping 15 to 20%. And what happens when collagen starts to dwindle? Our skin becomes thinner, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles. It's like a balloon slowly deflating over time. The youthful glow and plumpness give way to dullness, dryness, and the dreaded signs of aging. Not a pretty picture, is it? But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. While we can't stop the clock, we can definitely influence how our skin ages. And this is where the power of knowledge comes in. Understanding the role of collagen in maintaining skin health is the first step in the journey towards youthful skin. It's like having the secret map to the fountain of youth. And who wouldn't want that? So it's clear that collagen plays a key role in maintaining youthful skin. But how can we boost its production? Let's dive into that. Before we explore how to boost collagen, it's important to understand what affects its production. Collagen, the protein that gives our skin its structure, elasticity, and strength, isn't invincible. There are several factors that can slow down or hinder its production. Firstly, age is a primary factor. As we grow older, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Secondly, our diet plays a significant role. Consuming too much sugar or not enough protein can negatively affect collagen production. Lifestyle habits such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are also collagen culprits. They can cause damage to collagen fibers, making the skin lose its firmness. Let's not forget about sun exposure. Harmful UV rays can deplete collagen levels and accelerate skin aging. Lastly, stress, both physical and emotional, can disrupt collagen synthesis. Now that we know what impacts collagen production, it's time to learn how to boost it. Scene script. Ready to learn some pro tips to boost collagen production for that youthful skin? Great, let's delve right into it. We all know that collagen is a critical protein that gives our skin its structure, elasticity, and strength. But what you might not know is that our bodies naturally produce less collagen as we age. So, how can we give our bodies a little nudge to keep producing this fantastic protein? One of the most effective ways is to maintain a balanced diet. Your skin, like any other organ, needs nourishment to function optimally. Foods rich in vitamin C and antioxidants are your best bet. Think oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli for your vitamin C fix. Antioxidants that combat free radicals that break down collagen can be found in abundance in blueberries, spinach, and even dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Chocolate can help your skin. Regular exercise is another fantastic way to boost collagen. When you exercise, your body increases blood flow, which in turn helps to nourish your skin cells. This keeps them vital and can even stimulate collagen production. A brisk walk, a quick jog, some yoga, or even dancing to your favorite tunes can do the trick. Now let's talk about beauty sleep. It's not just a saying, you know. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode. This is when our skin gets to work, repairing the day's damage and producing more collagen. So ensure you're getting a solid 7 to 9 hours of beauty sleep every night. Sun exposure is another factor that can affect collagen production. Extended exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can damage your skin and degrade collagen over time. So remember to wear sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy. We all know smoking is bad for our health, but did you know it's also terrible for your skin? Smoking reduces the blood flow to your skin, deprives it of oxygen and nutrients, and can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your skin health and boost collagen production. Apart from these lifestyle changes, there are also collagen supplements and skincare products that can help. Collagen supplements are generally made from the bones and skin of animals and fish and can be easily added to your daily routine. They've been shown to help improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Skincare products containing ingredients that boost collagen production can also be beneficial. Look for products with retinol, vitamin C, and peptides. Retinol has been shown to stimulate collagen production, while vitamin C helps to stabilize and create collagen molecules. Peptides, on the other hand, send signals to your cells to produce more collagen. Remember, boosting collagen is not a one-time task. It's a lifestyle change that you need to incorporate into your daily routine. So start today, make these changes, and let's journey towards a youthful and radiant skin together. While lifestyle changes are crucial, skincare products play a significant role in boosting collagen too. Skincare products are not just about giving your skin a temporary glow or hiding imperfections. They are about nourishing your skin from within, and when it comes to collagen production, certain ingredients can prove to be real game changers. Let's start with retinol, a derivative of vitamin A. This powerhouse ingredient is known to speed up cell turnover, promoting the production of new skin cells and, consequently, collagen. It's like giving your skin a nudge, reminding it to carry on with its natural regenerative processes. Next up is vitamin C, often hailed as a skin brightening agent, but its role in collagen synthesis is equally noteworthy. Vitamin C is a key player in the production of procollagen, the body's precursor to collagen. So, by applying products with vitamin C, you're not just fighting off those pesky free radicals, but also encouraging your skin to produce more collagen. Then we have peptides, which are essentially fragments of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of collagen, and therefore applying peptides topically can signal your skin to produce more collagen. It's like your skincare product is whispering to your skin, "Hey, we need more collagen here." But remember, not all skin is created equal. Understanding your skin type and choosing products accordingly is paramount. If you have sensitive skin, high concentrations of retinol may cause irritation. Likewise, certain forms of vitamin C might be too potent for dry skin. Therefore, it's important to read labels, do patch tests, and perhaps even consult a dermatologist. In a world where skincare products are aplenty, finding the right ones might seem like finding a needle in a haystack. But with a little patience and knowledge, you can find products that not only suit your skin, but also help in boosting collagen production. Choosing the right skincare product can be a game changer in your journey towards youthful skin. So give your skin the love it deserves, and let it glow from within. That's a wrap on our guide to boosting collagen for youthful skin. We've learned a lot today, haven't we? We've delved into the secret to youthful skin, understanding the factors that affect collagen production, and even pro tips on how to boost collagen. We've also explored the role of skincare products in this process. Remember, collagen is not just a buzzword in the beauty industry. It's a key element to maintaining that youthful glow. Boosting its production is not just a one-off thing, but a lifestyle choice that involves the right diet, skincare, and sometimes the right products. So have we tickled your curiosity enough? Ready to embark on this journey towards a more radiant, youthful skin? Great! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the GetGlitzy channel and share the video with your friends. Stay tuned for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing!